Hi, it's just me. Sorry for not uploading in a long time, but just enjoying me playing, what is this game again? Oh wait, Animal Hospital, while I talk a little in the background. Also, cool little, tip. In Animal Hospital, your first two patients will always need either eye drops or herbs. So make sure to remember that, because it'll save you time. Okay, but why are you going to the hospital for some eye drops? Just put it in yourself. The doctor's arriving! Yay! I finally get paid! Okay, this is pretty tough because this is our first Juan encounter, and if you don't know, Juan is always I would say a peaceful NPC. He'll never be an anomaly. And also, he's pretty important, like, for giving us lore, or at least in my opinion. I hate it when these stupid patients keep, I don't know, vomiting, pooping, I don't know, on the floor. Like, why are you so disgusting, grimy? Like, ew! One of the only few times Dr. Harlow's useful. Okay, I'm too broke to buy the stuff I wanted, so this shop is basically useless. I think this is our first anomaly. Oh, you're not checking in as a patient. No! I will refuse you. I do not care. You don't have an appointment with that smile. No. What do you mean, patient on fire? What the hell? Why does this keep happening? Ooh, I think this is our first Barney encounter of this shift. More disgusting, yucky slime. A lot of people don't get why Barney keeps coming to the hospital to get coffee, like if it's a Starbucks, but I have this headcanon that could explain, well, not headcanon, it could be more of a theory that could explain why. It could be because, like, the coffee machine Barney gives us takes a long time. Like, it takes like 5 minutes, like, slash 300 seconds. And coffee is needed to, like, maintain your sanity. And plus, some people can't go without coffee. So, Barney doesn't want to become, like, insane, which he probably already is, but, like, maybe there's another reason. He wants to go to the hospital for, like, coffee, because our coffee machine doesn't take as long to, like, make some coffee. So it's, like, a safer alternative. Because his coffee machine isn't, like, too reliable. Okay, I can finally buy the extra check-in window. If you don't know, the extra check-in window can make shifts go by faster, so it's pretty good. And that's an anomaly. This is why you always check the cameras. Why the fuck is this duo here? What the hell? I mean, I guess this anomaly is going to the hospital because they have pink eye. What I like to do, like, when I'm playing solo, I like to check in as many patients as I can. Like, slash, check in the amount of patients we have to check in. And then I take care of them instead of having to, like, go to the check-in desk to the patients, the check-in desk, and to the patients. It's low-key annoying, so that's a life hack if you like to do that, or I slash want to do that. Usually I throw patients slash visitors who faint in the trash, but like they're low-key losing out on money, so I don't do that anymore most of the time. Okay, here's a hospital coming. I think running patients have a higher chance of like, fainting. This sounds so messed up, but like, usually when I have critical patients, like, I take my time with them basically. Like, I'm a bit slow with taking care of them, but like, I wouldn't recommend it because like, it can, endanger your run. I know this sounds kind of like bad, but like, please like, I mean, not forcing you to, but I would appreciate it. Another life hack, when I have patients in these, like in this room, I move over to the computer while I'm doing the little game. So like, I get to save time. A tip for surgery, go to the middle of the table and then like move your camera a bit to like the medicine slash items you need. It like saves a lot of time and it helps. Like I saw it from a video and I just needed to share it because like it's really helpful. Uh-oh, an anomaly. And then ethical life hack I have is to leave the anomaly to patients who are either leaving or waiting. Just watch. I'm so happy I was able to buy this gun.
Hello, I am Officer Duckman. We're currently tracking a dangerous serial killer. This is his picture. Have you seen him?
Don't worry, Barney, I'm not a snitch. I want that coffee machine. Got the coffee machine, but like, two visitors went into a burning room. The room was on fire, and they still walked into it like idiots that they are. And one of them died because I couldn't like put both of them into like a room. I hope you were hungry for this bullet. I wonder what it tastes like for them. You're not being allowed in. I don't like how your face looks. It's creepy. In any other context, that sounds wrong, but it would be wrong. Yeah, you're being shot on sight. Oh my gosh, first Rathy encounter, yay! I low-key wanna start posting cover videos of music, but like, I don't wanna sound bad while singing, you know? Like, so like, if you wanna see that, just let me know in the comments or something. I think ghosts only appear after, like, you kill somebody in the hospital, so don't kill people. Okay, why does this need to be said? I was gonna voice this, but like, I accidentally pressed on the button too fast. Why is Dr. Harlow talking about some just resting from a long shift when you don't even work? Like, I feel like he's just experimenting on people. Like, how are you tired? You don't even work. You're just rushing to your office. We're pretty close to shift 10. This is like the long stretch. I know I sound stupid as hell right now, but I honestly thought maybe the gun could stall the ghost. Maybe because you can use the fire extinguisher to like neutralize slash reveal the ghost to you for like some seconds. I thought if that physical thing could like affect the ghost, I thought the bullet could too. Oops. It's basically shift 10 now, and I can end this run, finally! Celebrate, everybody can get shot! They're getting fired, and I'm definitely going to jail, but that was so much fun! Okay, I'm gonna shoot this corpse repeatedly for funsies. Have a good night or day, everybody. Bye!